Imagine cranking out blockbuster quality clips on your laptop. No Hollywood budget, no $250 a month fee. That's exactly what I'm about to show you with Google VEO 3. Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll be generating cinematic AI footage for $0. Hey creators, I'm your friendly AI tool scout. If you love bleeding edge tech, smack that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a cheat code like today's. Drop a like to boost us in the algorithm, and let's dive straight into the magic. Google has launched a beta version for desktops, which is still available by invitation only. Enter VEO 3 free now on the official Google VEO 3 website, and you can use the neural network for free. I'll leave the code on the screen and in the description so you can copy it later. Download the installer around 100 megabytes, then run it. Windows may flash a smart screen prompt. Click More Info gives run anyway because it's signed by Google. In under 2 minutes you should see the VEO 3 launcher on your desktop. Alright, creators, that's a wrap. Smash like if this saved you $250, subscribe for weekly AI hacks, and comment VEO Hero if you grabbed the tool today. I'll shout out 5 of you in the next upload. Until then, keep creating and I'll see you in the next frame.